Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your Java program into a .jar file, meaning it'll be like an executable file and will be able to run on any computer. So the first thing we do is we go up here to File, Project Structure, Artifacts. We add an artifact jar from modules with dependencies. We need to select our main class and we press OK. So now that we have done that, we need to select an output file folder. So I'll just select desktop. Actually, I'll select my documents. Press OK. Apply. OK. Now we go to build artifacts, and we just press build. So once that's done, we can navigate to our documents folder. So you'll see here that in our documents folder we have a snake.jar file, executable jar. If we run it, you'll see that the program that we had made is done. So that's how to do it, and they're easily shareable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.